Let's do a new exercise in SolidWorks. This is steam injector body. So we are going to create in SolidWorks with the help of some basic feature. Now this is our section view. We have one side view and we have one bottom view. This is actually a top view with section. See, now all dimensions are in millimeter. Unspecified corner fillets are 3 millimeter. Material plain carbon steel. Surface roughness value 1.6 to 6.3 micrometer. These two triangles. This is old method to measure surface roughness. Then surface roughness value 12.5 to 50 micrometer one triangle. So let's do this. First, let me make one solid body, outer body. This is flange. You will see this diameter here 70 to 8 millimeter depth. Then this thickness 40 millimeter. Then there is a circular body. You will see 50 plus 5 plus 5. Outside should be 60. Okay. Now center distance 70 millimeter. Then let's go straight. Then there is one flange 8 millimeter. So we will reduce this 8 millimeter up to this center line 125, then this 120. So 145 minus 8, 137 is going to be, and this width also 535, 40. Now I am going to select one plane, let's say front plane. Here select sketch. Now activate line tool and let me start from top to here, go back to here if possible. Okay, this is difficult, so cancel, activate line tool, again draw one line, create up to here, escape key to out, and activate here 3-point arc. Connect these two, move somewhere here, press escape key to out. Now let me do one thing, make this one construction line. Let's create few important relations. Select these two lines, hold shift key, these two lines collinear. Smart dimension. Now overall length is 145 minus 8. 37. Okay, we forget to add here flange, exit, trim entity, power trim, and just trim this. Even though it should not be like this. Fine. Smart dimension. This radius 30 millimeter, and if you see this diameter 40 millimeter, if you check this diameter 72 millimeter. Okay, what else balance? Okay, let me select this, width 8 millimeter. Okay, we add some information. Select this center point of this arc, hold shift key and select this line, coincide. Smart dimension. Now this distance from outer edge, it's 70 millimeter. Okay, now activate here revolve boss base feature. Now due to this construction line, this is open profile, so first you have to close. So system asks, would you like this sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now see, by default system take this center line as the axis of revolution. Direction we will keep blind, and this is rotating. See the arrow rotating in from one direction. Angle you have to define. Either you want half body, quarter body, or full body. For full body, 360 degree. Say yes. Look. Okay, for time being, let me uncheck so that it looks better. Okay. Now at top there is a flange, square flange. See 64 square. Then there is a hole, 4 number of holes, 8 diameter, and 46, 46. Then there is a corner fillet, R10, and thickness is 8 millimeter. So select this face, sketch. Now activate center rectangle and draw one rectangle. Make sure 67, enter and place somewhere here. Press escape key to out. Now select these two lines, hold shift key, select these two lines. If you leave shift key, you will see this pop up, or even left side you will see all the constraint equal. Extrude. Now keep start condition same, end condition blind. Now look, arrow is moving upside. This is what we need. Depth is 8 mm. Make sure merge, otherwise this become another body. Okay. Activate fillet. Fillet type constant size. Fillet parameters keep symmetric, and here let's say radius 10 mm. Now item to fillet, I'm going to select one edge, and it will show you these small options. So first option, if I'm going to select, it will select automatically all 4 corners. Say yes. Look. Now I am going to use hole wizard to place the hole. So go to hole wizard. Here choose simple hole, standard metric or ISO standard, let's say drill size. Now here let's say 8 mm. Now up to next means up to this back wall. Go to position. Now first select the face. Now see, already selected. So press escape key to out. Let me draw one center rectangle. Now these going to be 46, tab 46, enter. And from here select for construction. Okay. Now look, hole already placed at center. So click center and delete. Now this is, if you move this one, now select the center point, hold shift key and select this center point, coincide. Now select this point and activate tool. See, let me place at all 4 corners. Press escape key to out and let me check. Okay, you will see this is going to make up to back face. Say okay. That's it. Now let's create this flange. You will see 70 mm, 125 center line, 8 mm, and distance from here to here 50 mm. See here, and if you see this depth 20 inside and outside, you will observe from here 30. So front plane sketch. Now let me draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Again activate line tool and let me draw. And make close. Press escape key to out. Now select this line, construction, smart dimension, go 8, and distance from here to here 50. Okay, and let me select distance from here to here, the outer diameter 70 mm. Fine. Now center line from outside, it's 125. Now let's define this diameter. Okay, here shows 30 divided by 2. Activate revolve boss base feature. Select yes to close the profile and select this line as the axis of revolution. Now we need 360 degree, complete 360 degree body. That's why keep 360 degree angle, merge result, and here we go. Now comes here. We have here one threaded option. We have to make this one. Now, this length 47 from center. Okay. Now there is a thread G3 by 4 inch. If you comes check in millimeter, 26 power 441 millimeter. Then this length 12.5, 1.5. There is a groove diameter 25. The whole, this one we will make later. And there is a one circular body R3, 38, corner radius R1. Okay, let's try to do this. Front plane sketch. Okay. Now let me draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Now this center line distance from outside is 70. Fine. And now select this outer edge, convert entity, because we need this line. Activate line tool. Now let's start from here. Make this little groove. Now go back to the line and see the line is converted into arc. And drag up to this line. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Let's define few important relation. 12, 1.5. This radius 3 millimeter. Corner also 1 millimeter. We will add it. Okay. Now let's define this distance. Diameter 26.441 in millimeter. Okay. This groove diameter 25. Now press and hold shift key. Select this from outside to outside 38 millimeter. That's fantastic. Now let me define this distance from center one, 47. Okay. Now it's move. Now this diameter, it should be 30 millimeter just because of this circle and wall thickness. Okay. Now trim entity, activate power trim and trim unnecessary line. See here we have line, and delete this line also. Now we have a closed geometry going to be here. Say okay. Activate revolve boss base feature. Due to this construction line, this is open, so say yes to close. Now axis of revolution, let me choose this one. You will see the preview. Say okay. Keep 360-degree merge result. See. Now let me select fillet. Constant type, and fillet radius is 1 millimeter. Only one radius is 1 millimeter. So I'm going to apply this. Okay. Now go to options, documents property, detailing, and check shaded cosmetic thread. Image quality also let's make higher, so that edge will look sharp, not blurry. Look. Now comes here, what we can do. Let's make this hole. 59 is pitch diameter, 7 diameter 4 hole, 45 degree. And similarly the same hole, 58 is pitch diameter, and there is a 4 number of holes with 45 degree, and diameter of this hole is 7, and here, okay, here also we have 7. Select this face, sketch. Okay, let's create one hole by extruded cut feature. 58, enter, and select for construction. Activate center line, and let me draw 2 lines. Press escape key to out, circle, and make diameter 7, enter. Press escape key to out. Let's define this angle, 45 degree. That's fine. Now here go to feature and activate extruded cut feature. Now this time, and in direction 1, either we can keep blind or even choose next. Next means this is this face is the next face. Say yes and look. Now let me activate circular pattern. Here choose direction. So I am going to choose this face as a circular, equal spacing, 360 degree, and 4 number of holes, so 4 number of instances, and feature and face. Feature, this hole already selected by default. Now here you will see, if you want to see full, it will show you this also, but partial is okay. Similarly, let's do this for this sketch. Activate circle 58, enter. Select for construction, activate center line, and hole should be here something. And I am going to connect here. Press escape key to out, smart dimension, and let me draw one circle here, 7 millimeter. Escape key to out, define angle 45 degree. Activate extruded cut feature. Now which one is suitable? Let's check isometric view. Okay. Up to next is better option. See, circular pattern. Now here choose one circular edge. I am going to select this circular face. Equal spacing, 360 degree, 4 number of holes we like, and extruded cut. This hole already selected by default. Say yes. Now we have 4 holes. Now it's time to cut these holes. We will start from top. This top hole diameter 35. You will see these are the roughness symbol. 2 symbol, one triangle. These are the different microns. Material removed by machining. This is the symbol for this. 22, this inner one, this 30, 35, then 3, 3, 4. Okay. Then here one more, this is also equivalent to 30, and this width 20. Fine. 20 from here to here. Then again 120, 8 millimeter. Okay, let's do one by one. Front plane sketch. Center line. Let me draw one center line end to end. Press escape key to out, activate line tool, and start from here. This is something like this. Press exit. Okay, let's define these first. 3 millimeter. Okay, this is also going to be 3 millimeter. This is going to be 4 millimeter. Fine. And this is going to be 20 millimeter. And this is going to be 8 millimeter. Now let's define center one. From here to here, if move cursor outside, it will show you diameter 35. The inner one 30, again inside 22, and this will also 30, and this is going to be 20. Okay, okay, exit. Now we did up to here, now comes down here 30 inside, then there is a radius 50. See, 50 we will make, then come down, and from bottom let's say 2 millimeter radius, a diameter 32, then come up 30 inside, then here also 3 millimeter depth, this distance from here to here 30, then 3 millimeter. Okay, this all going to be calculated. Let's do one. Now select somewhere here, escape key to out, select this line, vertical. Now I am going to activate circle and start from center point and radius diameter 50, enter, escape key to out. First define the center diameter distance from here 70. Okay. Now define this line from here 30 inside. Okay. Now do one thing, just drag this line, connect with this. Okay. Trim entities. Okay, later we will trim this bottom. Two millimeter only. And connect with this. Escape key to out. Now activate trim entities, power trim. Just remove this one, remove this. Okay, remove this also. Let's try to add dimension. 2 millimeter, fine. Now dimension 35 diameter. This diameter 30 millimeter from inside. Now here 25 millimeter, and this one. This is also 30 millimeter, just like above. Okay. Now distance from here to here it's 30 millimeter. And if you see this 3 millimeter. Now look, it is fully defined sketch. There is a lot of mesh, but it is fully defined sketch. Activate revolve cut feature. Now due to this construction line, this is open profile. Again system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. You will see the preview. This is going to cut inside. Axis of revolution already selected, center line. Angle of cut 360 degree. Okay. Now I am going to select front plane, section view. Okay. Look. Now let's make these two holes 20 diameter from here. Okay, this hole we will make later after applying these fillets. Fine. Let's make this hole 20 diameter. Then all the inside radius you will see R3, R3, R3. Now R1 already mentioned, rest all R3, even this corner R3, this corner, outside also have R3, this corner R3. So we will try. Let's select this face, sketch, activate hole, enter, extruded cut. Now for end condition, keep up to next. Up to next means up to, if you I am going to zoom, see this is going to cut up to inside wall. Okay, similarly here, sketch. Okay, here I am going to discard. Let's apply some fillet, constant type fillet, size 3 millimeter. Now I am going to select one, select this face and this edge. Fine, here we covered all. Now select this face. Look, this is also covered all. So no need to define each and every time. Okay. Let me choose section view. Fine. Fillet. Parameter 3 millimeter, constant type. Now let's add fillet. I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, this corner 4, this corner 5, this is, and this edge also. Okay, these are the maximum edges we need. Say okay. Perfectly fine. This is how we need. These lines are straight. Here also we have both. Okay. Exit. Now let's apply hole. Now keep cursor outside edge. You will see a plus symbol, the center point. Drag 20, enter. Press escape key to out and see at right bottom it shows fully defined sketch. Extruded cut feature and keep end condition up to next. Say okay. Now let's say section view. Okay. Front normal view. Look. This is the result what we want to achieve. This is how we achieve our result. Okay, one more thing is balance. Here cosmetic thread. So go to insert, annotation, cosmetic thread. Now let me choose this edge. And here I am going to choose British standard thread, straight pipe. This is a pipe thread, G by 3/4. This is what our result. This is nominal diameter. See the inside diameter. Up to next. Up to next means up to this edge. Say okay. Look. Now I am going to apply, right click material, right click edit material, and this is going to be plain carbon steel. Close. See, this is too shiny, so I am going to apply normal edit appearance. From here you can edit. Now I am going to apply olive green. For olive green I have coordinates 186, tab 184, and here 108. Look, this is actually olive green, 180 actually. Say. Now if you want to apply some, let's say this face, control key this face, control key this face, and control key this face. Let's change metal polished steel. fine. Even revolve cut, polished steel. Let's say some holes. Okay, let's keep hole as it is. These holes, polished steel. This hole, okay, this one, polished steel. Isometric section view, say okay. Look. Okay, inside, polished steel. Section view, it won't works for section view. Now see section view. Now this is how we achieved our result. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.